All right, we just went to Walmart, to Home Depot. We kept our social distance. There were no eggs, so we can't do the eggs. But we did find ourselves some Equate.
Why were there no eggs?
Coronavirus. Everyone's hoarding eggs, apparently. Anyway, but we did.
Was there any toilet paper?
No, there was no toilet paper, but we have toilet paper right now, so we're good. So we found some shaving cream. So I found that this works best in an Erlenmeyer flask because the narrow top. Anyway, so now the trick is to squirt the shaving cream.
Turn your Erlenmeyer flask sideways. There you go.
Okay, that's not working. That is not. Okay, somehow the first time I did this, I got all the shaving cream down into the bottom. See if you're better at this than me.
Take two, Kim.
By the way, I don't like the smell. Okay, you're better than me.
Fail.
How did I do this? I literally got a ball of it down in the bottom.
This is really expensive shaving cream.
The lab is gonna smell great, like cheap 99-cent shaving cream. Okay, just squirt it so it's in the bottom.
I'm gonna try.
Okay, stop. Yeah, buddy. All right, let's start with that one.
I smell like an old man who just
bought
for a date.
He just bought cheap shaving cream, 99 cents.
What you doing, Kim Jen?
All right, so due to your skills, we now have shaving cream. What do you know about gas when we decrease the pressure on it?
It expands.
All right, you ready for this? You promise you're gonna help me clean up?
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Here we go.
What even? Don't block the hole.
Yeah, as soon as it blocks the hole, we have to stop, because
That's crazy. It's just growing like mad.
now it's actually reacting differently than the first time I did it, so we'll try with the other ones too. Well, we expanded the air in it. Let's try another one, but first we got to clean this up.
I'm not good at cleaning. Did I tell you that?
You got to come help me. This is okay. Let's now try. We got a beaker, and go ahead and cover that up. The room smells lovely, I must say. All right.
Why do we have to put grease on the bottom of there?
Otherwise the vacuum doesn't seal and it doesn't work. All right, here we go. You promise you're gonna help me clean up?
Let's make it happen. It just like grows.
Wait, is this how we can save money? Like we don't need as much shaving cream?
What would happen if we got inside there?
Yeah, I don't.
It's like a giant shaving cream tree.
It almost looks like it's alive. Come on, vacuum, come on.
What is this? Now rip off the vacuum. Oh, disgusting.
All right, you gonna clean that up?
Cleaning is my least favorite part.
All right.